Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm still a bit of cold, so we'll see how we'll manage. This episode I like to dedicate to my grandmother. She was the one who always knitted slippers for us, and I'd like to carry on that tradition because it warms the heart as well as the feet. And here are the ones I knitted for my mother, and there are the ones I knitted for my son. It's a fairly easy project to do. You can do it sitting with the cat who's watching me constantly, but it's a nice companion as well. And I'm working on some other ones for my father, and I hope to finish them by Christmas. So have a nice creative week and see you next time. Bye bye.